This is Jason Berendorf for the Scorchers. Well bowling in the power play on Shane Watson.
And you look at the blow Shane Watson's cut off here. Coming back in. Too far away from that wide delivery there.